Rosen here, and I'm going to show you today how to open up Cura and set the settings for the Lulzbot Taz 6, which is our 3D printer. You go to your Launchpad on your dock, and we're going to type in C-U-R-A or C-U-R and go to Cura Lulzbot Edition. It may take a minute or two to open, so be patient with it. It's asking me if I want to open it, and I do, so I'm going to open it. And you can see that it's bouncing here, which means your computer is thinking. And you can see that it's loading here, and you see their signature Lulzbot octopus, which you may or may not find in one of your applied tech classrooms. It is a common 3D print off this printer. Great. You get in, and it's telling me I'm already set up. But if you weren't set up for a printer, I would go and hit Add Printer. So when you go in, you're going to have to say, I agree to all this stuff, blah, 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 blah. Once you agree, you're going to look for the printer, the Legacy Taz 6. This is what we have. It is a single extruder printer. So Legacy Taz 6, single extruder, you hit Add Printer. It will then give you a screen. Do you want to use these settings? Blah, blah, blah. And these are the default settings. And yes, you want to use these settings. You can change them later when you're fine-tuning for your specific print. So you hit Finish. Now you have set up your printer to work with the correct printer, and you are done with your setup. Watch the next video to learn how to import your 3D print file and get the settings right for our print.